Alright, what is good, people? I'm not really sure if I'm going to take a trade today. I'm eval only because I can identify it's no news Monday and the conditions aren't good. I'm not putting risk on a funded. But yeah, I'll put risk on an eval happily. Not sure if I'm going to go full risk on this eval, but yeah, I will have to see. This London high is a clear draw, though, I think. But I mean, this daily profile is suggesting otherwise. That's a bell, though. I just want a full gap fill, maybe, of this whole new week opening gap. We've had a 30 formed all the way down here. Oh my gosh, what is this? I would. This is like an obvious draw right now. For price. It would be a quick tap of this 30, then a distribution higher to that gap up there. Besides protected on silver, I don't really want to take shorts because we have a protected layer. I don't really want to take longs because we're in that premium level. Bunch of LR though. Wow. Hmm. I think this 1 minute off the rip here probably would be good, but I mean, you've probably about the thing. We just have SMT. No, we don't. I just don't like the look of anything right now. I need more narrative to play out. Like, it looks like we want to come up and distribute to this London high. We've tapped no PD raise. By the way this hourly candle is forming, it looks like this was probably the manipulation for this, and we're going to close up here. Like you're just dealing with a bunch of protected highs here. This 5-minute inversion would have been clean, bro. Just down to that Asia low. Protected high, protected high. Look, this looks to be a bit of a sell model down here, and we've had that smart money reversal. We're in a like 1-minute buy model here, sort of. But it's very sloppy. I just see this PO3. Alright, that checks out. That definitely checks out. Rejection block tapped. This CISD. Where's this 5? There was no CISD on NQ. There was one in AS. That 5 minutes right there. Probably gonna hit it now though. Yeah. Haha. Bottom ticking demons would be on this. The top ticking demons would be on that shit, bro. The top ticking demons would be licking their lips right now. Unfortunately, no entry there though. If only a guy that says stay on both pairs. Doesn't look like we actually distributed to that 2.25 here. It looks like we sort of just invalidated it by closing through it. Definitely tapped that 3.5 level though. No way we didn't. Damn. Nothing got tapped. Just a 5-minute. This low down here is very protected. Hmm. I don't think this is going to play out. This inversion. Those 5 minutes were very nice, that closure, I must say. Hmm. I'm looking at gold now, but because if we did close and invert that gap, I probably would have tried to take a short. Like, I was looking at this 30-second inversion, but we're in that 15. I am going very aggressive because of this. I probably wouldn't take this on a funded. Purely, well, I'm not taking this, but if we did inverse this gap, I probably would have. Because, like, we're still very, very deep into this premium level. And we have, like, clear draws being 1, this equilibrium level, and 2, this 30, this 5. This discounted 5 is what I've been looking for a reversal higher. But NQ, NQ. Silver's dumping, bro. Holy. It's like the worst sweep of Asia lows I've ever seen. Okay, well. So this 30-second would have played out, eh? Hey? Silver's falling off the face of the earth right now. Okay, well. Gold hit when what I wanted it to hit. But we're still in that premium level, bro. And that's like such a bad tap of that. Well, I mean, this is more of a measuring gap, I guess. What? Okay, we just got hit with news. We just got hit with news. What could this stupid idiot have said right now? What could have he said right now? Oh my gosh. Hurry up. Oh mate, this website, bro. Why are you showing me ads on the president thing? Full fried. That was a news candle of some sort because every pair moved so aggressively in one candle. What just happened, bro? What the? I'm trying to see what's going on. Holy bull. Well, the draw was there. If I took my setup that I wanted to, right, right then and there. I think New York Post Iranian officials are studying abandoning uranium enrichment. Well, I mean, this has just fried everything. past trades to see exactly what this means. I mean, I reckon this is just fake news, bro. Like, I don't believe this shit for a second. It's inversion, bro. Holy IFVG play off the data candle. I said, you want to try it? Nah. Nah. No, I won't. I'm not trying that shit. Let's say if this shit plays out, bro. If this shit plays out, I will laugh my head off. Like, it's a negative risk to reward, bro. This shit would be like, this news just pushed so much liquidity into the market and just made all the setups play out like I wanted it to. My draw got tagged, and then this setup down here is playing out. Oh, mate. There's no way. What a good no news Monday, eh? Gets hit with news at 9:49, bro. I want to see if some buying pressure came into. Oops, not that one. That's just the open. No, there wasn't really. Yeah, this low-key just fried everything, bro. I might just get an early night. Yeah, I don't know about this. Mm. Hmm. I don't say anything, bro. I do not say anything right now, buddy. Bro. This is just cooked. Like, man. Yeah, I'm gonna get off, bro. Actually, it's not even 10 a.m. yet. Let's see if. But there's no way I want to see get manipulated into. Draws have gone on either side. We've completely, not completely, but yeah, like the draws are gone everywhere. Um, hmm. Now all there really is just pattern trades, bro. No dead ass. Dead ass. There's only just pattern trades. I'm watching these two pairs now. Because like I could just pattern trade it down to this whole imbalance needs to be filled. There's an unfilled 5 first presented. Down here as well. We're like in extreme premium for the day as well. There's just a lot of shit that needs to be rebalanced now. Now it's just gonna get really seedy with all these gaps. Well, the blockade has started. So I mean, it's probably gonna be hella bearish for the market. Let's see if we start to respect this 1 minute here. There's no bottom wick, which tells me we might see a distribution. Oi. I'm gonna put in some SMT. Okay, SMT has been put in. I'd take a cheeky pattern trade down here. On this, on AVAL, because like, I don't see anything really popping up. AS inverse at 1 minute. That is not good. We've filled this whole imbalance now, though. There's just not really much conviction in these shorts now, is there? Could try like, oh my gosh. I'm on an AVAL, so I need to be taking aggressive trades, but like, I'm just not really convinced in this. All it is SMT to high, and then yeah, your TP's at a protected low. The better thing to wait for would be this 3 minute. Because there's just not a lot of conviction here. Hmm. That's our 1 minute inversion. Very slow inversion. Yeah, no, I'm not even putting risk on the table for an eval. I don't reckon. I don't even want to. Oh, what are you doing, bro? Yeah, I'm not trading. I'm getting off. This is horrible. I'm just, yeah. I'm not trading this shit. There's no draws. There's not really much movement after that data candle, that news. This 1 minute inversion, it's alright. Like, it was just very poor. So, yeah, I'm getting off. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, bye.